Hi, this is Santu Shahu. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Sahu's Tutorial. In this YouTube video, I will help you to fill up West Bengal SET 2022. So, as you know that the notification for West Bengal SET is out and the last date for applying this form on online is 15th September. So do hurry and fill up the form as soon as possible because a few days are left only. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So for filling up the form, you will have to first visit to Google Chrome, then in the search box type www.wbcsconline.in, then enter button. So now you will find that this is the dashboard of the official West Bengal College Service Commission. Here some notifications are blinking. Now let's find out the link where you can apply. Okay, got it. Apply now. It is blinking. So state eligibility test, apply for state eligibility test, advertise number 24 sit. Now apply in this. It is blinking here. It is taking some time to load. Please wait. Yes, it is opened. So there are, as you can see, that there are four sections: exam details, personal details, qualification details, and upload documents. So first you will have to fill up the exam details. So first applied for set, it is given already. Now subject, choose your subject first. English, I am choosing English because English is my subject, so I am choosing English here. Have you qualified earlier West Bengal state in the same subject? The case is that in this case, if you choose yes, so you will not be able to further proceed. So please select no, then you will be able to proceed further. Now choice of examination center, first choice, so I'm choosing Kolkata as my first choice of examination center. Now second choice I am taking Nadia. So after filling up the first, then next. Now personal details, you will have to put your personal details in the box given here. It is very easy to fill West Bengal set actually. Type your first name. I am just providing any example. Somu. Last name Shahu. Father's name I am providing here. Mother's name. Okay. Now select your category. Some options are given here: general, OBC A, OBC B, economically weaker section, that is EWS, scheduled caste, and scheduled tribe. So I am going with general. Now date of birth, the format should be date, month, and year. So I am moving to 1995. Yes, 1995 January 23rd. Okay. Now marital status, I am married, so married. General, put your gender here in the box. Now provide your mobile number in this box, providing mobile number, landline number. If you have any landline number, you can provide also your landline number. Email ID, provide your email ID. Sahu Warriors @gmail.com. So after providing the email ID, provide your Aadhaar number here. I'm just taking a random number. Differently abled, yes or no. So you have to put yes or no. I'm putting here no. nationality is already given. Now your permanent address, put your address here. Putting my name of my village, then provide your post office also. Don't need to further any add anything. City or village, add just your village name here again. Provide your pin code here, then choose your state. So I am from West Bengal, I am choosing West Bengal here. Now your if your permanent address and postal address are same, then tick in this box, it will take automatically postal address same as above. So type it, yeah, you can see that it has been taken automatically. Now the second option is totally filled. Now next. No thanks. Now move to the next slide. Okay, now you will have to fill your qualification details. Exam passed, UG, that is undergraduate, PG, that is postgraduate. So you will have to put here university or institution which from which university you have been graduated or institution. So provide your university. I have been graduated from Calcutta University, so I am providing here University of Calcutta. So write your own university. Year of passing, I have passed in 2015. Sorry, 2015. Yeah, subject. So I have graduated in English literature. So I'm providing here English marks obtained. So 800 marks, full marks obtained 400, full marks 8, grade or grade point obtained. If you can see in your mark sheet, if there is any grade point, you provide your grade point. So in our case, there was no grade point, so I am putting here a dash. So percentage, it is 50 percentage. Now PG, so I have done my post graduation in English literature from Vidyasagar University, so I am putting here Vidyasagar University. Now year of passing, I have passed in 2017. Again English. Okay, now marks obtained 480, full marks 800, 60%. Okay, now after filling up your educational or qualification details, now there is another option, that is PG result awaiting no or yes. So if your PG result is awaiting, then you can choose yes here. So the PG student can also apply for this examination. So in my case, the result is not awaited, so I am providing here no. Another option is given, are you a PhD holder and have you completed your master level examination by 19th September 1991, irrespective of date of declaration of the result. So no. In my case it is no, so I am providing no here. It is already given. So go to the next slide. Okay, it is taking some time because internet connection is very slow. So now in this last performa, you will have to upload your documents, document type, that photo and signature. So first you will have to choose your file. The photo should be in the format of JPEG image with size between 4 KB to 40 KB. So first you will have to compress the photo within 4 KB to 40 KB, and your signature should be in also in JPEG format, and the size should be within 4 KB to 30 KB. So I have already compressed my photo between 4 KB to 40 KB, so I am going to upload. So choose this option. So I am Yes, photo signature. So I'm uploading my photo here. Yeah, I'm already uploaded. Now the signature. Yes. Now tick this declaration button. I hereby declare that the information given above are true and I fulfill the eligibility conditions for appearing at state eligibility test. I further declare that in case of my declaration and statements are found to be false or any ineligibility being detected before or after the test, my candidature for state eligibility test is liable to be cancelled. Okay, now submit. So after submission of the form, probably there will be a link to pay the amount. It is usually taking some time because the net connection is very slow. Please wait for a while. Yeah, as you can see, as you can see that my photo and my signature is uploaded here. Okay, all address, all details are filled here. Yes. Now after doing this, tick this. Now you can also edit here if there is any mistake, or if there is no any mistake you can apply. Okay, so can you can, as you can say that candidate applied successfully, so the form has been submitted. Now you will have to pay here. Come to the here, pay online. Yes, for paying online. Yeah, pay online. Pop-up is blocked. Actually something is wrong with. Yeah. Yes, a new performer is opening here. Build X. So in case of general, you will have to pay 1200 rupees. In case of OBC and SC/ST, you will have to 600 and 300 as well. So you can put here your debit card, credit card, other debit cards. Also, you can pay online by using internet banking. So in this way, you can fill and pay your amount of the application. So this was all about how you will fill West Bengal SET 2022. Thank you once again for watching my video.